A time series is a sequence of data points collected over time. Each point represents a measurement taken at a specific time interval. These intervals can be seconds, minutes, hours, days, months, or even years. Think of it like tracking the temperature outside your house every hour. Time series data is everywhere. From stock prices fluctuating every minute to the daily temperature changes, understanding time-dependent patterns helps us make better decisions. Time series analysis is a powerful tool in data science because it allows us to extract meaningful insights from time-dependent data. By analyzing past patterns, we can forecast future trends, understand seasonal variations, and detect anomalies. For example, businesses use time series analysis to predict future sales, optimize inventory, and make informed marketing strategies. Meteorologists use it to forecast weather patterns and warn us about upcoming storms. Time series analysis empowers us to make better decisions by leveraging the information hidden within the data's temporal structure. Python provides powerful libraries like pandas for working with time series data. Let's look at a simple example. Python import pandas as pd_data =date, pd.to_datetime. March 25, 2025, March 26, 2025, March 27, 2025, March 28, 2025, March 29, 2025, temperature, 20, 22, 19, 24, 21, df =pd, data frame data, df df.setIndex, date, print df. This code snippet creates a simple time series data set of temperatures recorded over 5 days. We use the pandas library to create a data frame and set the date column as the index. This allows us to easily access and manipulate the data based on time. Visualizing time series data is crucial for understanding patterns and trends. Let's plot the temperature data we created earlier. Python import matplotlib.pyplot as pltplt.plot, df.index, df temperature, plot.docs label, date, plot.y label, temperature, plot.title, temperature trend over time, plot.show. This code uses the matplotlib library to create a line plot of our temperature data. The x-axis represents the date, and the y-axis shows the temperature. By visualizing the data, we can easily observe the temperature fluctuations over the 5 days. Visualizations like this help us communicate insights effectively and make informed decisions based on the data's temporal patterns.